Why is Grafton Street famous for busking? If you've ever walked through the bustling streets of Dublin, you might have stumbled upon a vibrant and musical scene that has become a hallmark of the city. So, why is Grafton Street so famous for busking? Let's take a closer look. Grafton Street, located between St. Stephen's Green and Trinity College Dublin, has a rich history that dates back to the early 1980s. It was around this time that the street became fully pedestrianized, transforming it into a hub for street performers and musicians. This change attracted a heavy foot traffic of people, making it the perfect spot for buskers to showcase their talents. One of the main reasons Grafton Street stands out is its ability to launch the careers of many famous musicians. Names like Glenn Hansard, Damien Rice, Rodrigo Gabriela, and even Bono from U2 have all performed here on their way to stardom. This street has become a rite of passage for emerging artists, not just from Ireland, but from all over the world. The atmosphere on Grafton Street is electric. With over 9,000 pedestrians passing through every hour, it's one of the busiest streets in Europe. This high foot traffic makes it an ideal place for performers to gain exposure and connect with a diverse audience. However, it's not just about the numbers. The street's history and tradition of busking have created a unique and supportive community among the performers. To perform on Grafton Street, buskers need to obtain a permit from the city council, which costs €30 a year. There are also strict bylaws to follow. Each act can only play for 1 hour before moving on, and they can't return within 100 meters of their previous location until the next day. This ensures a constant rotation of new acts and keeps the street fresh and exciting. The competition is fierce, but that's part of the appeal. Buskers here have to put their full heart and soul into their performances to stand out. From traditional Irish music to modern punk, the variety of music on Grafton Street is vast and captivating. Even on Christmas Eve, the street comes alive with famous musicians like Bono and Glenn Hansard turning up to busk for charity. Visitors to Grafton Street can experience a magical moment at any time. Whether it's a spontaneous dance performance or a memorable interaction with the crowd, the street is always alive with music and energy. So if you ever find yourself in Dublin, make sure to walk through Grafton Street and soak up the musical vibe that has made it so famous. In essence, Grafton Street's fame for busking stems from its rich history, the launch of many successful music careers, its vibrant and competitive atmosphere, and the strict yet fair regulations that keep the street buzzing with talent. It's a place where music meets community, and it's an experience you won't want to miss.